Let me enumerate some of the thoughts which are perhaps hurting your retirement corpus creation. So when you are creating a retirement corpus, you have to be very positive towards the corpus that you are creating. Even negative thoughts in your mind will make sure that you do not accumulate enough money, or you accumulate lesser money than what you would have thought. So first is banish the thought that tells you that you are doing a great sacrifice on the world and that you are investing money for your retirement or just 25 years of age. Believe me, at 55 you will be extremely thankful to the 25-year-old who had the brain and the vision to start investing for retirement at such a young and tender age, if that's what you call, right? So that is a thing that you should be very happy that you started young, instead of thinking you have done the world a great service by starting to invest for your retirement corpus that you need. You have no clue how much is the corpus that you need, but starting young means accumulating whatever you can very well, and by that age. That's a huge advantage. Then you think you can save for your retirement. That's again wrong. Saving for your retirement is history. You need to be investing for your retirement, because if you start investing at 25 and you're going to need it at 65, for 40 years you should not be in debt instruments. You should clearly be in equity instruments, not even hybrid. Maybe real estate, but then you're too young, and at this stage you cannot buy real estate by just selling your assets. You will have to borrow. You don't borrow and invest to create a corpus. So I am not getting into that. So no, you can't be just saving, you have to be investing. Then to think that I'm saving enough or investing enough for retirement, there is nothing called enough for retirement. There is nothing called too early, nor is there something called too late. Don't wake up at 45 and say, oh my God, I'm doomed, now nothing can happen, let me just lie down and die. You're not going to just lie down and die. You're going to live till the age of 90 or 100. So you have 55 years. Start now. It's never too late. It's never too early. It's not too early even if your parents decide to invest money on your behalf, on your name, from your age of 1. Even then it's not too early. It is too early because you did not even exist. That's all. But otherwise, accumulating money is an generational thing. So your great grandfather would have saved, your grandfather would have saved, your father would have saved. So that is how their family heirloom is handed down, and that is exactly what you also need to do. Invest for yourself and invest for your children, and teach them the same process, right? My financial planner tells me that I require a corpus of 6 crores for my retirement. Honestly, I'd be very happy if the amount that you require is only 6 crores for your retirement, because you're just 25 years of age. Believe me, he has told you 6 crores or 4 crores or 5 crores, whatever he has told you, not with a view to thinking that is all that you require. Actually, you require much more. But he has shown you a number which intimidates you so that you start investing and do not interrupt the investing. Actually, this 4 crores looks like a big amount, but just imagine you require it not now but 40 years later. So actually, after you start investing and going halfway through the journey, you will realize that this money is not going to be sufficient. At that stage, your advisor may tell you, oh no, this was just to get you started. It was a clickbait. And now that you have come in, I'll tell you the truth. The truth is 24 crores and not just 4 crores. But well, you fell for the clickbait, didn't you? Don't also think that you are entitled to this spending because you spent a lot of time in the office, so therefore you are entitled to this 5,000 rupee meal or a 2.5 lakh rupee suit or things like that. You are not entitled to it. The greater the amount that you have with you, well compounded, will mean you will work less. You will find more time for your hobbies or doing things other than your full-time job, right? Also, don't think that by starting early you have done something great, because the earlier you start, the earlier you can retire. That is a huge advantage. So at 24 you don't realize that, But at 44, you will realize that, oh, I need not go on till 60. I can stop working at 52 or 50, whatever it is. That has been the power of compounding of your portfolio. Realizing all this is always nice, and of course the permanent thing that I do not want to retire. Why should I create a corpus? I am not going to retire. Please understand, your corpus also hears this nonsense. One day we'll all have to retire. The only person who need not worry about retirement is the guy who dies early. Maybe we are not ready for that either. Thank you.